mama's house. Who the fuck are you? Where's my wife? Hello? I'm speaking to you.
Hey, wait, give me just a second. Hello? Who is this? How did you get Courtney's phone?
Mate, you need to store password straight away. Why, what's happened?
Daisy? Fuck are you, mate?